Welcome to the 11th episode of our series on the success stories of global capability centers in India. Today, we spotlight NVIDIA, a global leader in artificial intelligence, AI, and graphics processing, and its transformative journey in India. NVIDIA established its first engineering center in India in 2004, setting up operations in Bengaluru. Over the years, the company expanded its footprint to include centers in Gurugram, Hyderabad, and Pune. Collectively, these centers employ over 4,000 engineers, making India NVIDIA's largest employee base outside the United States. The Indian centers have been instrumental in driving NVIDIA's global innovations. Notably, they have contributed to the development of AI computing platforms and solutions tailored for diverse applications, including healthcare, automotive, and telecommunications. Financially, NVIDIA's operations in India have seen substantial growth. The company's revenues in the country have tripled since the fiscal year 2018, surpassing $500 million in the fiscal year ending March 2024. NVIDIA's commitment to innovation is further exemplified by its collaborations with major Indian conglomerates like Reliance Industries and the Tata Group. The company has partnered with Reliance Industries to develop India's own foundation large language model, trained on the nation's diverse languages and tailored for generative AI applications. Additionally, NVIDIA is collaborating with the Tata Group to deliver AI computing infrastructure and platforms for developing AI solutions, providing state-of-the-art AI capabilities to thousands of organizations across India. Furthermore, NVIDIA has launched a Hindi language AI model, Nemotron 4 Mini Hindi 4B, designed to support the development of AI applications in Hindi and its dialects. Tech Mahindra is among the first to utilize this model, creating Indus 2.0, thereby enhancing AI accessibility to Hindi-speaking populations. NVIDIA's journey in India showcases the symbiotic relationship between global tech giants and India's burgeoning talent pool, driving innovations that shape the future. Are you ready to leverage India's exceptional talent for your business success? Partner with Inductus GCC, India's leading GCC enabler, to set up your global capability center in India. Contact us today to gain more insights.